Hi students, I am Pushpanjali from Department of Biochemistry, SRM Dental College, Ramapuram. In this video, we are going to discuss about balanced diet. Health is wealth. He who has no health has nothing. Prevention is better than cure. So ignorance and wrong food practices are mainly responsible for most illnesses. Hence, proper diet is very much essential to keep up good health. Balanced diet is an important short notes question and nutrition topic. The key points expected for the short notes question is first we have to define definition, then components of balanced diet, the type of nutrients to be included in balanced diet, basic four food groups, factors in planning the balanced diet, high cost and medium cost diet, food pyramid, and the nutritional disorders. First, we'll define what is balanced diet. Balanced diet is one which is energy yielding, body building, and protective nutrients containing. The essential nutrients should be in correct proportion to maintain good health. Next, we'll see what are the various components of the balanced diet. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. The macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are the proximate principles of food. That means they yield energy. The micronutrients are the accessory food factors. They are minerals and vitamins what we require in small amounts. Dietary carbohydrates are formed of sugars, polysaccharides, and dietary fibers. Sugars and polysaccharides form the simple carbohydrates, and dietary fibers are the complex carbohydrate. That is, they are not digested in our system because we lack enzymes, but they provide roughage and they provide bulk to the intestinal contents. Dietary proteins should be of high biological value. High biological value means it should contain all the essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are the amino acids what we cannot synthesize in our system, so we need to take in the diet. Animal proteins are superior than vegetable proteins. We'll see what fats we can take in our diet. Since carbohydrate is converted to fat in our body and this is also oxidized, the amount of fat in the diet can be reduced and even cholesterol to be restricted in our diet. And we have to include more of polyunsaturated fatty acid or essential fatty acid. The essential fatty acids which we cannot synthesize in our body, so it has to be taken in the diet, which are present in the plant oils. Minerals and vitamins are the micronutrients, as we already told. They are the accessory food factors what we require in small amounts. They are the protective foods. The sources of vitamins are the fruits and vegetables. The minerals what we require for the dental nutrition are calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. And fluorine is very important in the prevention of the dental caries. The vitamins what we require are A, D, and C for the dental nutrition. Vitamin D is very much important for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin C is very much having an important role in collagen synthesis. Balanced diet is comprised of basic four food groups. Milk group, that is milk and dairy products. Second is vegetables and fruits group, cereals and pulses group, and meat group. Next, we'll discuss the various factors in planning a balanced diet. First factor is age. During the active growth period, children require more proteins. Even adolescents require more protein than old people. Women require more of calcium, magnesium, iron and folic acid during reproductive stages. Next, calorie requirements. The total number of calories we consume and burn in 24 hours is what determines our weight. So, we need to calculate our calorie requirement in planning the balanced diet. Based on physical activity, we classify as sedentary worker, moderately active worker and very active worker. The sedentary person requires less calories than the active person. The diet we suggest should be locally available and should be in the purchasing capacity of the individual. Here we can see the dragon fruit, kiwi and all the costly fruits. At the same time, the guava and amla are seasonal fruits and it is available at a purchasing capacity of the individual. So we should see the local availability and the purchasing capacity of the diet we should select the nutrients. It should be an assortment from the various food groups. And we should consider the special conditions like pregnancy. The pregnant women require more of proteins, iron. In the same way, the sick person require more of the vitamins and proteins. So in this way, we have to consider the special conditions of the person. There are two types of balanced diet, high cost diet and medium cost diet. High cost diet consists of the liberal amounts of costly foods like milk, fish and cheese, chicken and limited amounts of green leafy vegetables and greens. The medium cost diet contains liberal amounts of the leaves, greens, vegetables and the limited amounts of milk, cheese and fish. This is healthy food pyramid. It is the representation of the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of the four food groups. If we are not following the balanced diet according to our requirements, say according to our recommended dietary allowances, it will lead to the disorder. So it may be overnutrition or undernutrition. Here we can see some nutritional disorders like fats. Excess intake leads to obesity. The protein deficiency leads to kwashiorkor and marasmus. Some vitamin deficiencies like nyctalopia due to vitamin A deficiency, beriberi due to thiamine deficiency, scurvy due to vitamin C deficiency, and pellagra due to niacin deficiency. Excess of fluoride lead to fluorosis. And also the mineral deficiency diseases, goiter due to iron deficiency, hypocalcemia due to calcium deficiency. This picture is of fluorosis condition when the fluoride intake is excess. This picture is of goiter due to iron deficiency. Here we can see the signs of vitamin A deficiency like dry skin, dry eyes, night blindness. The final message is that we all should take care of our health by taking balanced diet according to our requirements to maintain ideal nutrition. Thank you.